Guys, guys. I got a little something, and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. I'm sure you guys can see what, and I'm trying to like curtail my excitement, but it's like this big box, like this huge ass box. Let's open this baby up. Okay, so I'm gonna show it from that side because it doesn't show. This is what the box looks like. So I hope you guys can see me steady. I hope not like out of the frame. But anyway, let's try to take this thing out. 1 minute. Okay. So once I open this box, it has different compartments. Here it is. Okay, so there's this thing which I'm sure you guys don't really care a lot about. Then there's these things which I don't care about. I mean, I do care about connected, but it's just boring. Yeah, there's this. Okay, this is the guarantee. I'm just holding it in a very weird manner, and let's get the main thing out now, and that is this one. Bam, 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 bam. And there are these two things. So there's this, and there is. I can't take it out. This. So I'm gonna open these up and show you what it looks like. So guys, this is the right VR Sense controller. Let's open it. So guys, this is the right VR Sense controller. This is the left one, and this is the main. Oh, wow, this looks so cool. Okay, so let's open this up. So, wow, it looks so fancy. I love it. It's so cool. Oh my god. It looks really cool. I'm actually very excited. I'm not supposed to put my hand inside. Yeah, let me just try this. Yep. Okay. Wow, this is so exciting. I can't wait. I hope this is the right hand. I think this is the right one. Yeah, this is the right hand, I think. No, it's the left. Hang on. I think this one. Yeah, this one's the left. Okay. And then we open this one. I even love the smell. It's fun. And yep. This is the right one. So you basically put this in, the strap in. You can adjust it. So they've given this thing to adjust it. And yep, you put your hand like this and like this. So now I'm gonna put the strap on this thing. Okay, I will, why not? It's kind of exciting, so I might. So guys, this is what it kind of looks like. It looks super cool. Oh my god, I can't wait to play it. It's so exciting. And okay, so this is how you wear it basically. And let's just keep it down. It actually looks very cool. I'm very excited to play with this. Now this actually looks like something from the future. This looks amazing. I love the way this thing looks. It's very cool. Especially, I think if you look at it this way, it looks very cool to me. I love this part. Like, just like if you just keep it like this and you just look at it, it looks super amazing to me. Anyway, I'm gonna try putting it on, and well, hang on. I think you can adjust it. I wonder what this is for. Interesting. Okay. Oh my god. Ah, no, I'm doing it wrong. Hang on. Let me see how to adjust this. I think I need to. What is this for? Okay, so you basically press this and you pull. Okay, right now I can't see anything, obviously. But yeah, once you connect it, basically this is what it looks like, and with both the controller, something like this. So this is the final look, guys. It's super cool and it's actually comfortable. Although it smells a bit like rubber right now, but I'm sure that it'll get better. And wow, it's actually comfortable. Like compared to all the other headsets that I've tried, this one's actually pretty comfortable, and I can't wait to play. And I'm gonna like connect it and try to show it to you guys. Okay, if you guys are interested, I can do like Twitch, so just let me know in the comment section if you want me to, because it'll just be like me playing the game and like walking around an empty room being crazy, maybe something like that. But if you guys are interested, sure, why not? I'll give it a try. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll let you know how I like it once I'm playing it. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, where are the headphones? Oh yeah, it's here. Okay guys, I got it. Okay, I can't hear you guys anymore. I mean, you guys weren't saying anything to begin with. But yeah, whatever. Okay. So let's go next. Make sure you can, no, I cannot see it clearly. Hang on. I mean, it feels like there's something. Okay, I guess it's better. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm going next. Whoa, this is so trippy. My God, you can't imagine, because I can literally see it in front of me. Like basically, it's here. You see, I can. What? Oh my God, this is so trippy. Okay, so let's go. Okay. I wanna play. I don't wanna adjust. Adjustment will start. No. Oh no. Oh my God, what is this? Okay. Fun. Okay, let's select an area. Okay, world's normal again. Let's first please start God of War. I am so excited. Yeah, let's go. Oh man, what is this one? What do I do? I can't do anything. Okay, but I want to skip or I want to do something. It's not working out. It's telling me to press option. I did press option on my controller. Okay. Okay guys, they're creating my play area. Oh my God, wow. Okay, this is not my play area. I'm just gonna step here. And wow. Come on, where are you? Where's the right one? I can't see it. Oh, I guess I'm not. Oh, look at my hand. Wow. Okay. I guess I'm not wearing it this way, so it doesn't show. Start game. What is happening? Guys, I can't actually. My right hand is not there. Okay, got it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, okay. Oh my God, this is insane. Oh, why is this not my play area? Guys, the bed. I feel like I can sleep. The basin is so real. That gate is so real. My hand is, I mean, half of my hand is kind of real, but it's like a man's hand. The wrinkles on it as well. Wow. Okay, so what do I do? How do I walk towards it? Do I like have to actually walk? Oh no. Wait, what do I do? No, it's not my play area. I am confusion. I guess I can sleep? I can't. Guys, okay, guys, okay, I get it. This is still a normal controller. Okay, let's go out. Okay. Can you guys see the game? I'm not sure if you can. Run. Whoa, this is mad. Come on, knife, come on. This is actually, okay, what do I need to do? R1. Where the hell are you, R1? Okay, here it is. Okay. Where did he go, knife? Okay. Come on. No, that's not right. Oh my god, it's gonna take some time to get used to it. Come on! What is the problem? Okay. Come on. No, what's the... Okay, now not. Okay, let's go. So take the knife. L1, R1. Okay, got it! Huh? Where'd it go? Like, guys, look, there's a knife here. Okay, look, I have a knife. Bam. Oh no. Okay, I thought that was a person. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go. What will I do when there's... oh no, where am I? Okay. Oh my god. Let's go, okay. So guys, let's try this, okay? I'm gonna take the knife. That didn't work. Wow! X. Okay. This is mad. No, that's not working. Okay. Crazy. Okay. Okay, can you guys see what's happening? See, I have the knife here. It is super duper cool. Let's try. Ah! Whoa, easy. Ah! Where are you? Okay. Okay, guys, it's not working. Okay. Get the handgun. Okay, where are you? Open. What? Okay. Where is the handgun? Can you guys see it? I can't see it. I really can't see it. Handgun. Sorry. I can't see the handgun. Okay, let's forget about the handgun. Oh, there you are. Okay. Whoa. I'm almost in the air. What? Oh, okay. It checked. What is this? This is difficult. Okay, guys. No. I've got it. Okay. Let's do some shooting. Nope. Okay. Where are you? No. Okay. Guys, I think I've got to go here. I think I have to adjust this properly. But this is actually mad, I'm telling you. Oh my god, the detailing. What is happening? This is just too real. I don't know what I'm gonna do if someone comes.